Okay now, what's up Amazon? We are back with the EHEYCIGA 5-step foam dog stairs. Now I started to open this baby and I said, I gotta open it with my fam. So what you have is just a simple box. You got a nice little protective fabric. Look at this. These will pump you up. This has gotta be 10 pounds, right? Heavy. So nice design. I just reviewed these babies, okay? 3 stairs. Now this is the same kind of mod, but 5 stairs. And I got my boy over there. He's gonna wake up, like that. So you just hold on. I got a feeling this is gonna be a little dangerous, so be careful. Don't cut the actual item. Don't do it. I'm gonna get around that. Look at this. Boy, they must have used a tractor trailer to roll this puppy over. What in the world do we have here? I mean, I've never seen anything like it. It's double sealed. Okay? Watch this. Put that knife away. Look at this. Now, that is a set of dog stairs. Are you serious? What a great job. EHEYCIGA. I hope I'm saying your name right. 5-step. Roar. I just feel energized after opening that. Look at that. 5 stairs next to 3. Bed. Chaise lounge. Not for me, for my dog. Oh, look at this. Come here. You want to shoot a treat? Get up here. Look at this. Come here. Come here. Look at this. Get up here. What is this? Come here. Oh, that's my Chihuahua. He is 12 years old. That's right. Get up here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Up here. Hey, Amazon. This is great. EHEYCIGA. I bought it new. It's a great product. I already know. Boy, it's heavy. Both great products, but check this out. Definitely 5 stars. Congratulations. Hey, remember to thank your driver, UPS, FedEx, USPS. Be kind, dream big, y'all. Peace.
Is this one. And the second one that I got was this one. Anyway, I got it in dark brown just because it goes with my furniture. The first one I got, they're pretty much the same dimensions. This one is a little longer, but the height's the same and the width is the same. This one just came today, so it's a little wrinkly, but it'll work itself out. So the first one has a lot of excess material here. It's not form-fitting at all. And after I bought this, I did look at some of the reviews and it said the same thing, that the material is lacking. And then listen to the firmness and the excess material. Now, this is the one I got today, and this is the brand here. And very sturdy, very tighter fitting material. Not, look at it. This doesn't have that as much. And it looks basically the same. I do like the fabric a little bit more on this one too. Compared to this one. But that was never an issue with this one. Wasn't the fabric, the color or anything. It was just the looseness of the material and the firmness compared to this nice firm one.
So hoch und wieder runter. Prima. Hier, komm. Tipptopp.
Okay.
What are you looking for? I'm looking for Monitu's name. It's in there. He wanted recognition. I've given it to him. On page 4 in the obituary column.
Okay.
Lancaster, Texas.
Outside? Come on. Oh, Winston's coming. Come on.
Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Come on. Good boy.
She belongs to the very elite of Egyptian society.
Hey, come here. Come here.
On a 9 agresseurs sexuels enregistrés dans un rayon de 5 km. Parfois, ils travaillent en équipe. Nos hommes font du porte-à-porte.
Okay. There you go.
Get up there. Go. Good dog.
Good.